Imagine you're looking at a universe so perfectly set up that it feels like someone designed it just right for life to exist. One of the biggest examples in physics that some people point to as evidence for this idea, called intelligent design, is something called the cosmological constant. Let's break it down in a way that's easy to understand, like explaining why a video game world works the way it does. The cosmological constant is a number in physics that controls how fast the universe expands. Think of the universe like a giant balloon. If you blow it up too fast, it pops. If you don't blow enough air, it stays tiny. The cosmological constant is like the perfect amount of air that keeps the balloon growing just right. Not too fast, not too slow. Scientists have found that this number is incredibly precise, balanced to about 1 part in 10 circumflex 120. That's a 1 followed by 120 zeros. To put it in perspective, imagine picking one specific grain of sand out of all the beaches on Earth. If the cosmological constant was even a tiny bit bigger or smaller, the universe wouldn't work the way it does. Stars and galaxies wouldn't form, planets wouldn't exist, and life, like you, me, or even bacteria, wouldn't have a chance. So, why do some people think this points to intelligent design? Intelligent design is the idea that certain features of the universe and life are so complex and perfect that they must have been created by an intelligent force, like a purposeful designer, rather than happening by random chance. The cosmological constant's extreme precision makes some people wonder, how could something so exact happen without someone or something setting it up that way? It's like if you found a watch on the beach, perfectly ticking, with gears and parts all working together. You might think someone made it, not that it just appeared randomly. For those who believe in intelligent design, the cosmological constant is like that watch, a sign that the universe was carefully crafted, maybe by a higher power or God, to support life. But not everyone agrees, and this is where science gets interesting. Many physicists have other explanations that don't involve a designer. One popular idea is the multiverse theory. Picture the universe as one bubble in a giant cosmic bubble bath. The multiverse theory says there could be billions or even infinite other universes, each with its own cosmological constant set to a different value. Most of these universes might be duds, collapsing or expanding too fast for stars or life to form. But by sheer chance, our universe got the lucky number that allows life. In this view, we're not special. We just happen to live in the one universe where things worked out. It's like rolling a die 1 trillion times. You're bound to get a 6 eventually. Both sides have strong arguments. Those who support intelligent design say the odds of our universe being so perfect are so tiny that it's hard to believe it's just luck. They see the cosmological constant as a clue that something intelligent set the rules. On the other hand, scientists who favor the multiverse or other naturalistic explanations argue that we don't need a designer to explain how the universe works. They say physics, chance and time can account for it, even if we don't fully understand how yet. So, the cosmological constant is a fascinating example of how science and belief can look at the same thing and come to different conclusions. It doesn't prove or disprove intelligent design or a higher power, but it raises big questions about why our universe is the way it is. It's a great reminder. Science is about exploring mysteries, and sometimes those mysteries make us wonder about the ultimate why behind it all. Whether you lean toward intelligent design or the multiverse, the universe's precision is mind-blowing and worth thinking about. Don't forget to like and subscribe.